Habits of mind. What human beings do when they behave intelligently and how they can become more intelligent. For many years, scientific research suggested that your intelligence was fixed. In other words, you were either born smart or not smart, and there really isn't much you can do about it. More recently, however, new evidence has changed our understanding of intelligence. Now, new evidence supports the idea that you can become more intelligent by behaving intelligently. By using intelligent behavior, you will become a more independent problem solver and a better decision maker, and less dependent on others to solve problems or make decisions for you. Behaving intelligently may not be what you think it is, though. So what does it mean to behave intelligently? Research has identified between 12 and 16 common behaviors that you can use. 1. Persisting. Sticking to it, persevering through a task to completion. 2. Managing impulsivity. Take your time. Think before acting. Remain calm, consider thinking, and then speaking and acting. 3. Listening with an empathetic ear. Devoting mental energy to another person's thoughts. 4. Thinking flexibly. Look at it another way. Being able to change perspectives. Consider the options. Generate several solutions. 5. Thinking about your thinking. Metacognition. Know your knowing. Being aware of one's own thoughts, strategies, feelings, actions, and their effects on others. 6. Striving for accuracy and precision. Check it again. A desire for exactness and craftsmanship. 7. Questioning and problem posing. How do you know? Having a questioning attitude and knowing data are needed in developing questions and strategies. 8. Applying past knowledge to new situations. Use what you learn. Accessing prior knowledge, transferring knowledge beyond the situation in which it was learned. 9. Thinking and communicating with clarity and precision. Be clear. Striving for accurate communication in both written and oral form, avoiding overgeneralizations, distortions, and deletions. 10. Gathering data through all senses. Use your natural pathways. Gathering data through all the sensory pathways, gustatory, olfactory, tactile, kinesthetic, auditory, and visual. 11. Creating, imagining, and innovating. Try a different way. Generate new and novel ideas, fluency, and originality. 12. Responding with wonderment and awe. Have fun figuring it out. Finding the world awesome, mysterious, and being intrigued with phenomena and beauty. 13. Taking responsible risks. Venture out. Stop letting fear control and limit what you can do. Be adventuresome, living on the edge of one's competence. 14. Finding humor. Laugh a little. Finding the whimsical, incongruous, and unexpected. Being able to laugh at oneself. 15. Thinking interdependently. Work together. Being able to work together and learn from others in reciprocal situations. And finally, 16. Remaining open to continuous learning. Learn from experiences. Having humility and pride when admitting we don't know. Resisting complacency. These are the 16 common behaviors that are identified with habits of the mind. What habits do you have already?